Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing American Express Platinum as compared to Chase Sapphire Reserve and which credit card is best for you high spenders. Let's dive right in. So the first important thing we need to discuss is the annual fee for both these cards. The annual fee for Amex Platinum is significantly higher than Chase Sapphire. As you can see here, for Amex Platinum, we have $695 per year, whereas compared to Sapphire Reserve, we have $550, which, if you ask me, is a significant difference. Furthermore, Amex Platinum offers a more diverse and high-end perk lifestyle such as airport lounge access, airline fee credits, hotel elite status, Uber credits, and dining credits, while Chase Sapphire Reserve focuses more on travel rewards with a higher earning rate on travel and dining when booked through the Chase portal. Furthermore, Chase Sapphire Reserve points can be redeemed for a slightly higher value when booked through their portal. Amex membership rewards points can be transferred to a wider variety of airline and hotel partners, which, in my opinion, offers much more flexibility. So, who should choose Amex Platinum? Frequent travelers who prioritize airport lounge access and high-end travel should definitely prioritize Amex Platinum over Chase Sapphire. So at the end of the day, in my opinion, I believe American Express Platinum is a much better investment as compared to Chase Sapphire Reserve, as the benefits and advantages are much better in Amex Platinum. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.